In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new folder in Windows File Explorer. Creating folders is one of those small skills that can make a big difference in how organized your computer feels. Whether you're managing work documents, school files, or personal photos, knowing how to quickly set up a new folder will help you keep everything neat and easy to find. First, you'll want to open File Explorer. The easiest way to do this is by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar, usually found at the bottom of your screen. If you don't see it there, you can also open the Start menu and search for File Explorer. Then click on it from the results. Once File Explorer is open, you'll see a list of locations on the left-hand side, such as This PC, Documents, Downloads, and so on. Next, navigate to the place where you want your new folder to live. For example, if you want to create a folder for work documents, you might click on Documents in the left panel. If you're organizing downloaded files, you might choose the Downloads folder instead. Take a moment to think about where it makes the most sense to store what you're about to create, because a good folder location will save you time later. Once you're inside the location you've chosen, creating the folder is simple. Move your mouse to an empty area inside the main window. Then right-click. A menu will appear. Hover over the option that says New, and another menu will open next to it. From that list, click on Folder. As soon as you do this, Windows will create a new folder and highlight its default name, usually something like New Folder. While the name is highlighted, you can start typing to give your folder a meaningful title. For example, you could name it Work Projects, Family Photos, or Invoices 2026. When you're done typing, press Enter on your keyboard to save the name. If you ever need to rename it later, just right-click on the folder, choose Rename, type a new name, and press Enter again. Now your folder is ready to use. You can drag and drop files into it, or right-click inside the folder and create more subfolders to keep things even more organized. By consistently using folders like this, your computer will stay cleaner, and finding what you need will be much faster.